Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library, scroll down and here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last option is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update, and click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so reset all settings, enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Realme Narzo power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.